Hey, what's up? I'm Norris and welcome back to another recap of Sword Academy. Now, if you're not familiar with Sword Academy, it's a monthly subscription that you pay to learn how to sew and design. My wife created this a few years back and is pretty much open for beginners, intermediate, or even experts. There's always something to learn in Sword Academy. Now, this month, Sword Academy this month, we went on to construct some pleated pants. Last month we drafted a pattern for the pants. As you can see right here, all the patterns, the waistband, the welt pocket bag, everything that you need, including the belt loops and the waistband, everything was included with these pattern pieces. So we constructed all of that this month to make pleated pants. Now for me, I used a yellow corduroy fabric to make my pleated pants. As you can see right here, the pleat right there in the front. Now this course is really cool because they don't make as many men's patterns as often that they do women's patterns. So whenever you have a pair of pants that fit you nice and you're able to trace them out, you can modify them to make any design you like the pleated pants that we made in this month's course. All right. So I hope that this is a lot of information for you if you was considering signing up for Sword Academy, or if you didn't even know Sword Academy existed. Now, if you click the link in the description box below, there's a link to sign up for our free trial. Now, that'll give you access to see how it works, what you're going to be learning in the very first course. So go ahead and sign up for the free trial, and I hope you like it to continue to be a member. Also, remember to follow us on Instagram at Sword Academy, and you'll see all different type of members and different skill levels, people posting their garments and the things that they've learned, just to show you that you can do it as well. All right, so that's it for our Sword Academy recap this month. See you in the next video.